Hey, what's up, Brian? My name's Corey. Jimena actually gave me your contact info. Told me you'd be the best person to receive the screencast. But anyway, I'm gonna shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition online and really drawing in that quality traffic that you're striving to get. I got your website pulled up here. Just gonna run through it real quick. I actually do love the layout on it. It looks absolutely fantastic. Couple things that actually go over. Learn more, schedule an appointment. This little coupon here. Um, okay, I love your request and estimate. I would blow that up, make it huge, make people really know where they're actually navigating to. It's gonna help, especially with some of the older generations out there. Anyway, coupons are great as well. So the first thing I actually want to go over is content. Google loves to see websites between 1,500 to 2,000 words, so really beefing this up right around there. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we're actually tracking or layering keywords that we're actually trying to be found for, which people are searching for as well, which I'll get into more in that in a little bit more detail. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. Google recognizes that. You got download one. You can actually put keywords back there. That'll just make a huge difference in your rankings. So if I just type in Google and go to HVAC Salt Lake City, this is what you're going to see. You're always going to have these ads here at the top. You got these old school traditional ads, which a lot of people have been going away with because a lot of people have been getting spammy phone calls. So a lot of people have been going away with ads in all general. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. But anyway, underneath all these ads, you have this little map section. This about 30% of the traffic really lands in this map section, and really to get this rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. All that is just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. But obviously, we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking our competition. These citations, they're referred as like the BBB, Yelp, City Star, the locals best, Facebook, LinkedIn, things like that. There's thousands of them out there, by the way. Underneath that little map section, we have all the organic ranking. Now, to get to this level on that first page of Google, really comes down to having high authority content on your pages, being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Hang on one second here. Let me plug it in. Yeah, so it just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. And looks like currently you got 131 referring domains, which is pushing back about 1.75K backlinks. Historically, it looks like you have over 6,000 backlinks. You got your website started back in January 2014, had your up and downs, and kind of leveling out right now. So right now you got 734 keywords actually being ranked for, which is pushing back 177 clicks, which is all organic. And this PPC, that actually stands for pay per click. So it looks like you are doing some sort of ads running off of Google. I don't know if you're doing ads with any like online radio, TV, things like that. I don't know if you've seen like a dip in your ads because of those spammy calls. But anyway, just talking about all the organic traffic right here. Where these 177 clicks are coming from, we can actually track that in that the 734 keywords you're being ranked for. So this is Scott Hale Plumbing. Looks like you got your name here at the top quite a bit. Can coffee grounds go down the sink? Scum tips, coffee grounds in sink. What I'm trying to find is buyer's intent keywords like HVAC. Okay, here we go. HVAC repair Salt Lake City. That's a buyer's intent keyword. You got 30 clicks every month to that one keyword. You're 11th position, so you're missing all the traffic because you're not on that first page. HVAC SLC, another 40 clicks, missing all the traffic. You got your name again. Plumbing Salt Lake City, another keyword, another 100 clicks every month for that. 17th position, missing all the traffic. This is one of your competitors here. This is Lee's Heating and Air. I just want to show you them on what they're doing. Just going to do a quick overview. So they got 176 referring domains, which is pushing back just under 20,000 key or backlinks. They got 925 keywords, and in total, they're getting 469 clicks to their site. Just kind of showing you where these clicks are actually coming from. Their first, this is the position, their first, second, third. They have a fifth position there. Seventh position, ninth position, fourth position, third position, first and fourth and third. So they have a lot of position with a lot of great keywords, and it actually shows their traffic. So kind of give you an example here, like air conditioning Salt Lake City, very specific keyword there. There's 60 clicks every month. They're getting a decent amount of traffic because they are first position. HVAC contractor Salt Lake City, Utah, there's another 60 clicks, getting some traffic because they're second position. HVAC contractor Salt Lake City, another 70 clicks, fourth position, getting a decent amount of traffic. So if we add up all these clicks, the quality of clicks that's coming to their website is just huge because of these keywords that they're actually ranking for. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a free custom game plan together for you. You can reach me back at 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.